I wouldn't have let you fall.
No, I know.
I wouldn't. Dude, that's a ball.
Yeah, we'll
Put in the book there on the last session, the number, you remember when the number 24 came up? And at the time, they didn't know that was me, but it turns out that was the birthday of the
She walked by,
She turned 24.
asking her question, I'm like, what the
So
movie
we
right
did
there?
See,
For Larry?
although that is an awesome
Yeah,
shirt.
Larry's mom.
Yes.
I love this and I love her.
Yeah, she turned 24. I thought her birthday was 24, but she turned 24.
Is it on?
Should be on, they're not speaking yet. It should be on.
We don't have to do the glasses, did we, do we?
No.
Okay.
I don't think it's.
That's kind
Going
of.
on.
They
No, it's
should have
on.
done the glasses.
There's nothing going.
And even if they're really
Spirit?
they do the table.
Are you ready to be
Take
engaged?
the glass and get the energy, and this table's really creative.
Yep, there you
Yes.
are. Okay, they just wanted to
Circle,
kid
then
you.
she'll go here and say hi, and can go here, can go
This table freaks me out.
I know, I love it though, but.
Yeah, it's a nice table.
So, hello, Spirit. We want to thank all of the energies for coming forward in the last session, and we thank you for trusting us to be able to communicate. So we're going to do one more session this evening. We'll try to pick up whatever spirits happen to be around, whether it's with the Hoover house or any family or friends or pets. By the way, I'm going to use this to plug. What is that date? Is it
The 7th.
7th of May.
May? It's a Sunday, the 7th of May. We've got a really gifted pet psychic coming here. He connects with human spirits as well. And anyhow, him and his partner are moving to Maine, so we're going to lose them as a resource. But we're having a session. We did a session with him last year where he was able to sit in the room and actually see the spirits and call them up by name. And that was really neat. And it was the first time he had ever done this. So anyhow, if anyone's around on that May 7th wants to come, we're gonna do some table tipping in the evening with Rob. And then in the earlier part, he has several books out talking about relationships with your pets and how to recognize various things. So I'm going to put a plug in for him. He's a really wonderful guy. All right.
I have.
So thank you, spirits. We're going to do one more session this evening. And again, we ask that you be around. Whoever wants to investigate afterwards to be available. We thank you for everything, and we will take note. We're coming up on the Easter season, and so I think we want to do something on Good Friday again. We've had we had some energies come through tell us all about the apostles, and the tomb is empty, and some really wonderful messages. So, all right, so I'm done with my spiel. We'll ask Vivian to come in, and please bless us with your presence and communication. Hello, Vivian. It's Jim. Would you please come through and take control of the table for us? I know there's still a lot of energy in the room. We'll go through and introduce ourselves. I'm Jim.
I'm Jen.
I'm Nancy. Michelle.
There you go.
There you go, girl.
There you go, girl. I knew it.
Did you hear me talking about you and how amazing you are?
We were dancing last week, weren't we, Vivian? Yeah. So, Vivian, do we have a spirit that wants to come forward for someone at the table or in the room? Okay, if it's for someone at the table, would you slide the table to that person?
Is it somebody in the room, Vivi? Go ahead.
Asked about Penny.
Okay, Vivi, Jerry wants me to ask, is Penny with us tonight?
That's it.
Ask her if Ian's here as well.
Okay, is Ian with Penny or is Ian with her? Okay.
No,
Okay, so Vivi, if Jerry asks you questions from behind, would you answer them? Okay, there you go. She'll answer them.
Penny, are you here not only for me, but for Steve?
You gotta ask it better.
Right.
It's a this or that.
Huh?
She
Okay,
was confused. by the
Penny,
way.
are you here for Jerry? Are you here for Steve?
Yep.
That's what you wanna know.
Steve.
Are you keeping an eye on Steve?
Oh, yeah, he went out.
Yeah.
Are the spirits of the house helping Steve recover from his surgery? Anything else?
There was
Well,
a-
I know there's a lot wrong with him,
There
but
was
we
a
just.
nurse standing when Steve woke up during his
Oh, yeah.
recuperation. There was a nurse standing right here near the heater.
Wow.
Okay, but tell him the
And
best
like that.
part. He didn't want to sleep down here by
No,
himself.
he had
So Dan had to sleep down here on the couch with him.
And I said that was the most uncomfortable couch, and I said, I ain't sleeping down there no more.
Well, we want to thank you, spirits, for the recovery and things, and the way things are progressing, and we know we're being looked after and watched, and we want to thank you for that.
Penny, are you showing or teaching Ian to roam around in the house? Okay. Alrighty, thank you, hon. Is Ian ever gonna light up the cat ball? Ian hasn't done anything yet. Is he too shy? No.
Has he not developed those skills yet? That's it, you just haven't
Training,
picked
his
it up.
spirit and training.
I swear that movie Ghost had a lot of factual stuff in it.
Yeah.
Oh, Jim.
Is there some truth in that movie Ghost, Spirit? Yeah.
Okay, Penny, you get back off the table now and let somebody else come through, okay, sweetie? It's nice, hearing from you again.
Okay, there's a young male at the table, correct? And, you're here for your dad? And, you're worried about your father, aren't you, David? Okay. Were you with your father when he was in the hospital recently? Well, he's working with the medication. Hopefully it'll take care of his problem, but I know he's really comforted by knowing that you're around. And you had double duty, didn't you? Yeah. But, well, they know that you're very much in their lives and active and around them. And you know you're always welcome here at the Hoover house. Your son always comes through when you're here.
Oh, yeah, that was a good cut.
Go on.
Dave, how come the spirits come over to you? They don't make you come here.
I say, no, I'm fat
It's
and
just-
old, so.
I just want Dave.
I just thought you were.
Get
you
up
were-
there.
Here, go.
He's back here, I'll help
Oh,
you.
there we go.
All right. So we'll let your dad talk to you.
David, were you with us when we were at Alex's birthday?
Mm.
You know that Billy and Kevin and I had a long talk?
happy that we did.
Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
Rephrasing it a different way, Dave.
Were you glad to see that Billy and Kevin and I talked?
Maybe he wasn't happy that you had to.
Yes,
That's it.
yes, that's exactly it.
Okay.
It's been long overdue, so
That's it.
Pretty strong.
I love you, buddy. We miss you. I'll be alright, don't worry about me.
There's a lot of sadness there.
Okay. Alright. Give control back, David. I love you, buddy.
All right, can we come back towards the center table?
I knew that was gonna happen.
Little more,
So much for not using my abilities tonight, right?
little more. That's it. Thank you, Spirit.
It's not in our control.
I know. Nice to pretend.
Did we introduce ourselves then?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
okay.
did, they went in.
Losing my mind.
Is that right, Viv?
You know, what's on my mind to begin with.
Can you help him at all? Oh, stop.
Spirit, I'm gonna use this time just to talk with you. We've got a lot on our plate coming up here with, the history tours and some stuff up at, Monterey Pass, and of course the events here at the house. So whatever you can do to assist us in all of this, you know, we're trying to keep everything going. And while we appreciate all you've done up to now, you know, the work continues. So I do want to thank you for that and ask for your assistance going forward. And part of that's taking care of Pam and Steve so that they're able to manage things for us too. And we want to thank you for being courteous and open with our guests. And we feel very honored to have you as our family. Yeah, that's the truth, really. Do we have, I know we have other spirits here, right?
Yeah, can I ask Vivi something?
Yeah.
Hun, just quietly. I have a message here.
I thought so. I thought there was something.
I
for
asked
her.
Vivi
Yes.
if, I don't know if it's you want to talk to somebody or somebody wants to talk to you. So I'm just gonna ask her to confirm which way it is. So Vivi, can you come back to center, please, hon? Can you move the table back? Okay, that way. Okay.
Slide
So,
a little to the left.
there we go,
There
thank
you
you,
go.
dear. So Vivi, is there a spirit here that wants to connect with Michelle? Yeah, okay, so it is, that's the goal.
Okay, so let's inquire as to the nature of the spirit.
You know who it is, Vivi? You wanna ask for confirmation?
Is this you, Daddy?
I knew it was a male. I didn't know what the relationship was. Was your father a dog guy?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was gonna say, he's got a couple dogs around him. Okay. I didn't know if they were yours or his, but, okay.
Dad, were you with me the night me and Danny were doing an investigation out at elementary school? So that was you? That smelled like cigarettes? Stale cigarettes? And beer?
Does he present that to you?
all the
Oh,
time.
so that's his son too, okay.
And also, arbitrary shaving cream.
Oh, wow.
That was presented the day that you were, of your funeral.
Oh, so he attended.
Are you with grandma and grandpa? Are you at peace? You know, I miss you a lot, don't you?
Same.
I love you too, Dad. I do. I miss you and I love you. So you know that I can smell you and I know you're there.
Article?
I want you to know that I'm sorry that I wasn't there for Grandma. I didn't know she had passed, and I'm sorry.
But Michelle's grandmother had other family members there to receive her, correct? She'd been ill for a while, hadn't she?
You know, if she did, I wasn't aware because I
Okay.
wasn't very connected with her. I was more connected with my mom's
Okay.
mother. So she could have been, and I just didn't know.
I wanna talk right now.
Somebody else said me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Everybody.
I'm sorry sometimes we don't pick up on what's said. Gotta. Is that a heads up?
It's confused. Okay, so confused you guys?
Is there a message for Michelle, sir? You want to give her a hug?
Thank you, Dad.
Was your dad in the military?
I was in the Navy.
Okay.
Very orderly. I'm getting these very orderly.
Yeah.
Like
No, but
how
I-
he keeps fixing the table.
He's
See?
a mechanic.
Ah, yeah. So you realize this table's crooked, right? We've tried to fix her, but she's as good as she's gonna get.
You give someone to know how to fix it properly, right?
No, because I thought in the fast bus I heard, do a push-up. That's
Yes.
That's what I was thinking, and it sounds like to me like a kind of military. Do we have a female spirit present here at the table?
Is Dad gone?
Yes.
have been waiting patiently. Say hi to Hoover.
Sound like it's Astrid.
Are you proud of all the good work your daughter's done in the nursing field? Tell you, nursing's a good, my daughter making out like a bandit. We were talking this evening, and we were reflecting how you had identified yourself as a patient first. And we just thought that was interesting. So, I'm assuming that meant a lot to her, to have her caring for you at that critical time. So you'd taken off, hadn't you? In that period, yeah, okay. That's what, yeah, she'd taken off a period of time from work to take care of it, yeah. And she really was very thankful.
She's a great mom.
Yeah.
Isn't it nice we
That
can
is a
take care of
loving tribute. That shows what a great mom you were. Is there a message you have for Nancy?
I love you something.
I love you something.
Yeah.
I heard that. I love you something.
I think that's a dear, I love you, dear.
Hey, thought it said refugees.
Refugees.
Yeah. Honestly,
No, they're not
I
talking about you,
mean, where did
Joe.
that come from? I mean, I don't know.
You know that, you're always invited here at the Hoover House. And certainly when they're up visiting us, you always, you have an open invitation to come through here.
He usually does come through.
Huh?
You gotta visit
You know what? There's,
Don't go anywhere because you got somebody.
you're backwards. Yeah. I think this is for Jerry.
Good Lord.
I guess, yeah. Go on.
Don't tell me that.
Yeah, you know who it is. It's your dad.
Oh, here.
Oh,
I'll just do this. Use the chair. And the other side.
it's gonna be tough.
I'm sorry. The dad we crossed?
Well, you know he has.
No, the dad we crossed.
Yes.
Actually, Ricky, I think it's God's brother. Because you're picking
Oh,
up
okay.
infants, Reed. And
Oh.
the piano. And the piano.
Okay.
That's exactly who it was. You picked up baby. I mean, your dad's here, but
Sorry.
that's exactly who it is.
Is this Reed?
Yep. Yes. When you did the piano keys and he said infant, I thought,
Reed, I'm gonna ask you to, are you gonna sit down at the piano with me tomorrow? Or will you please?
he
Yes.
needs help. He
Okay.
needs
Said yes.
All right.
As of next week, he's our only hope.
Can you please kind of tell Jenny just
He's
leave
getting
me alone?
surgery. Bob's leaving.
He said I'll be fine.
Yeah, just be more confident.
He said leave me alone.
So he didn't.
Man, that was strong too, Bill. Leave him alone.
Bob's a liar.
Oh, man.
Okay.
I asked about, yeah, he did. You did help me, yes, he did.
Now what?
Get up.
Is there somebody else?
Mm-hmm.
Is it her again?
Have a seat.
Reed, will mom be with us as well?
Not into that one.
She gave me her 30.
It's,
No.
it's table chairs.
Vivi, we have Pam back at the table. Pamela.
Reed, I gotta turn the there you go. He's already relinquished to your son.
Oh, Pam. Back.
So that means he's already realized how he can come back to see you. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Hold on a second. So,
Right.
Sebastian, my name's Bob. Were you indicating that you are going to start leaving signs for her that you're in her presence, correct? Okay.
Just random.
And most often she's probably going to see these in the kitchen, is that correct? Okay. But she is going to be getting signals from you.
Why'd you think kitchen? What did you see?
Just her and cooking.
Bob, I think it's gonna be,
It's,
I think it's gonna be everywhere she's at. I don't care if it's in the kitchen,
Doesn't
I don't care if it's in the bathroom.
okay,
that would make sense.
It is like,
I guess it just came up because you like.
right,
That's why. Okay.
Is your mom a good cook, Sebastian?
Thank you.
excellent.
Yeah. Excellent. Not good. You're beyond good.
now he's done cross, correct?
Oh,
Yeah.
we just did tonight.
tonight.
Yeah,
Just
that's what I
tonight.
saw. And
That's
then he come
great.
back just
I
Didn't
did.
we have somebody else come over, Ricky?
Yeah.
We had one other thing where they crossed and came back just for a brief moment. Like,
Yeah, he's gonna stick around.
Boy.
Sebastian, you know where your mom's sitting, right? So, now that you seem to really have a lot of control here, would you like to give her a hug?
yeah, sure.
He doesn't want you to move back, that's how you hug at the table. It's just not real.
Jim, would you go for as,
Yeah.
with something like this, like, I know that everybody's probably gonna think it's gonna be like, a bad thing, like an attachment? Maybe? Because dude, I don't think he's gonna go back.
Yeah, but if you're
he's
thinking of
here.
connection, I think it's connection, not attachment.
Okay.
Does that make, I
Yeah,
mean, because
yeah.
we tend to make it negative, you guys do in the paranormal world. It's a connection that can't be broken, is
I
what
don't
it
think
is.
it's-
Is that correct, Sebastian?
Yeah, I mean,
Pam would
it,
just tell me. She's joking. She's like, even crossing over, I have to help him. She said.
Ah!
Look at that. She just told me that.
I love
no, you know
that.
what, I think it's, he felt so isolated before, you know,
Right.
and now, I mean, he's felt that closeness and the love, and he doesn't wanna leave it.
Okay.
It'll wear, I don't want the wrong words, wear off, but
Right,
in
right.
effect, the urgency will diminish to some extent, so it, yeah, it won't, I think that's a good way, connection right now, just, a bonding kind of thing.
Yeah, it's, you know what? That's a really good word. It's a bonding in a new way. It's
Yeah.
not that
Yeah.
the physical. He can do whatever. It's how you realize you'll have that bond. It's just in a
I-
whole
I
new way.
think-
It's a new normal.
I think he's gonna draw some strength from that.
Mm-hmm.
Let spirit talk.
Yeah, let spirit talk.
Go
Okay,
for it.
go for it. The floor is yours, sir. You know, we're getting ready for the Easter season here. Do you enjoy that? Is that a significant time in the other realm?
Somebody's shaking this
Yeah, that's
table.
what it feels like.
It's me, something's hitting my left hand.
Oh, okay. 'Cause I'm. That sounds like a job.
said, hi, I'm Astrid.
Oh,
Really?
she got high. I went
Okay.
across.
That's what I thought.
Who's Astrid?
I'm
Did you
Astrid.
get her Astrid earlier?
That's
Are you sure it's not Astrid?
Astrid.
It's a little girl in the basement.
Oh, Astrid's a little
Oh.
girl in the basement.
Is this you, Astrid?
Oh my gosh, is that the doll? Is that,
I don't
is
know.
that Kara's doll?
I don't know.
Whose doll is that you brought?
Oh, that's her doll?
It's her doll.
Yeah.
So a part of Kara's here.
So it's Kara's.
So that's weird.
Oh.
Oh my. Yes.
Who
Right.
bought that here?
She did. It's Kara's doll.
That's
We're trying to get
And
rid of
Kara-
dolls.
Kara, my wife had bought us one of those stone, you know, how Kara painted the stones with animals?
Yeah.
She had purchased one of those from her at the last bash, and here just like a week or two ago, she was working in her craft room, and it was up on a shelf, and it fell down and it hit her in the hand and injured her. But it was the stone Kara had painted. So we were trying to get if there was any significance to it, but it was just, I think we were trying to get attention. You know, Kara's come through here.
Yes.
We spoke with her, and she revealed a bunch of stuff to us.
So wait, this doll here was hers?
No, Kara, our friend who comes here.
No, that's what I'm saying, was Kara's doll.
Yeah, it's her doll.
And, oh, it's your doll?
I took a picture of it online, just to
Okay.
let the spirits know and everyone know. And she chose it, so I bought it for her. She told
Ah.
me to bring it here, introduce it to Astrid, and see if anything picked up at, anything
Ah.
about the
Isn't
doll.
that weird?
So Astrid is the girl in the basement?
Yes.
And what's
Yeah.
the doll's name?
I'm not
There's
sure.
no, we don't know. Are you taking her back with you?
Yeah.
Good.
She was
I
in
love
my
you,
car
Jen.
until I
Great
said
to
her.
look good.
She's staying in my car.
Just call me Susan about the dolls before we decide whether we want them or not.
Excellent doll's name.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
Spirit, may I ask, do you happen to know what the doll's name is?
spell it. Can we get
Try
it
it with
spell?
the
Can we
spell.
spell?
Go ahead.
So could you spell out the doll's name for us? If we did the alphabet like we do? Okay, so we're gonna start with the letter A for the first letter of the first name. B.
That's a B.
It's a B.
Okay, so is the doll's first name start with the letter B?
Letter B.
Letter B.
Letter B, okay. Is her name Beatrice?
Bernadette.
Beth? Betty?
Bernadette came through so many times last week.
Bertha?
Beatrice.
Brenda.
Oh, yeah.
You.
Ah. Good call.
So the doll's name is Brenda.
The dog's name is Brenda.
Okay.
I told you that name on that tag.
Is she a sweet doll?
Manufacturer name, well,
Does
they gave her that name.
has Kara's spirit been about that doll? Around that doll? Or given any energy to that doll?
I like it.
Okay. So she likes it.
Asking how old. I think what we see now on the obelisk, the number. That.
How old is the doll?
Yeah.
Okay, can you
Or
tell
the
us,
spirit.
how old is the spirit, Brenda, that's involved with this doll? Is she 1? 7? Is she 7?
So is that how old Astrid is? Is Astrid
I think that's the spirit that's in the doll. That's
Okay,
Brenda.
so
That's
Brenda, the spirit in the doll, is 7, is that correct? Okay, are you aware of Astrid in the basement, the little girl? Are you aware of the spirit named Astrid in the basement?
I'm curious what year Brenda was born.
Why, what are you getting? What the hell was that?
I heard that squeaking.
Like a
Somebody
toucan
there.
or
Is
something,
somebody in the
yeah.
sky?
Like a bird.
Can.
Yeah, like a.
It's a toucan.
It's called.
What's his name? The fruit
It's
loop bird.
toucan Sam.
It's Toucan Sam.
That's-
Apparently.
Something has
Don't shake your head at me,
I'm shaking my
Chocolate.
head at you.
Oh, you always do that.
So,
No.
how old do you think
Gummy, need a gummy bear.
really is?
She's been into the gummy bears.
I never tell you my secrets again. You share them.
Astrid,
This is the time.
is that what that
Don't
said?
reveal her secrets.
What did it say,
Oh,
Astrid
Edgar.
again? Edgar?
It says, you
Astrid,
keep saying
correct?
Astrid.
Who is Astrid? Can you tell us?
You love Kara, don't you? She'll be back. She'll come visit.
You know what?
As soon as Kara comes, she'll go to the basement.
We're gonna take one of the tables to the bash.
Vivi, can you bring Astrid
Just
forward?
Close friends and stuff.
Okay,
We'll
hey,
connect up with
Rick,
Karen.
okay,
That
Rick.
should be there.
I just
Yeah,
asked Vivi if she could bring Astrid forward and she acknowledged
We'll
yes.
probably see what it's about.
Twice. So Vivi, you can bring the little girl Astrid that we're talking about forward. Okay, could you go get her and bring her to us so we could communicate?
Or just
Always
listening?
listening, that's what I heard.
Always listening.
Always listening.
Is she going to get her?
I will show
Vivi, are you going to get her now?
You have to call
Yeah,
her.
she's doing a
Yeah, that
slow walk.
just-
Oh yeah,
that
she
just
is.
came
Ricky,
to
she's
me.
going to
That's
get her.
good.
Look, she's going to get Astrid.
her. Yeah, that just came to me, guys.
The doll.
We'll take one
Bring
along.
the doll.
Is Astrid?
Yeah.
Look, she's going to get her. Have you ever had Vivi go get the spirit? She's doing it.
Are you bringing Astrid up?
Mm-hmm.
Astrid, are you with us? Okay. So Astrid, how old do you think she is? 5? Astrid, are you 5 years old, sweetheart?
Mm.
Are you 7?
Are you older?
She's saying older than what?
Are you?
Are you older than 10?
Dirt.
Are you older
Not
than
older
10?
What did it say? Astrid?
Are you
is
9 years
garbage?
old?
Is that what it just said?
And it's like that.
Try 8,
Are you 8 years old, Astrid?
Do you know how old you are? Is the answer no? So she doesn't
She
even
doesn't
know
even know
how
how
old
old she is.
Astrid, do
Was
you
she
miss
ever-
Kara?
Was she ever on
There's
On
somebody
this
bad
That's what I
connected
was
with
wondering.
her.
If it was
I,
even-
was she a,
Where
Hold
is she now?
What is she now?
Where is she now?
Where is she now?
She's